I'm having trouble configuring NFS in Linux. Can you help me out?
Of course. NFS is pivotal in enabling distributed file systems, allowing seamless access to files over a network. Let's start with understanding NFS.
What's NFS?
NFS stands for Network File System, which operates on a server-client model, empowering clients to access files residing on the server as if they were local. It acts as a cornerstone for network-attached storage (NAS), offering a robust storage solution.
That makes sense. How do I set up an NFS server?
There are several steps to set up an NFS server, starting with installing the NFS utility using the command yum install NFS utils. Then, you need to verify and start the services, create an NFS shared directory, export the share, configure firewall, and restart the services. I can guide you through each step.
Okay, I think I got it. What about setting up an NFS client?
To set up an NFS client, you need to install the NFS utilities, verify and start Refined, verify NFS share on the client, create a mount point, mount NFS share, verify mount, and persist the mount point. I can guide you through each step.
Thanks for the help! Is there anything else I should know?
Yes, automating NFS shares with automount is a great way to simplify file sharing and management. You need to install automount, verify NFS server, create a master map file, create map entry, enable and test automount. I can guide you through each step if you're interested.